Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your password must include an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter in Apple ID. If you are trying to create an Apple ID and you're having an issue that you cannot create a password, or you are having an issue that your password must include an uppercase and a lowercase letters, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to keep in mind that would Apple want to make a strongest password. So you have to keep in mind about the here you have to at least enter 8 characters. You can easily enter more than 8 characters, but just the minimum requirement is entering 8 characters, or you have to include minimum one uppercase letter or also one lowercase letter, and you have to also include at least one number into your password, and you have to doesn't include your name, email or phone number that other can easily guess, or you have to try to make a password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. So let's create a such type password. First of all, I recommend you to enter an uppercase letter. So in my case, I'm going to this one, but you can easily enter which you want. So first of all, you have to enter an uppercase letter. Then you have to enter the second letter here in lowercase. Once you have entered, you have to try to add any symbol from here. So if you, I recommend you to make sure that you have entered or repeat a symbol into your password. In my case, I'm going to repeat this one. This at the rate I have entered. So then you have to enter the fourth character here. Here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 character. Now enter the fifth one. Once you have entered, I recommend to enter a symbol here. Then you have to enter the seventh character. Here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 character we have. Now I'm going to create a password which it's at least 9 characters. So once you have entered the password, you have to try to add number. So in my case, I'm going to add two number here. You can see we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 characters we have in our password. So you can easily include more than 8 characters, which is the minimum requirement of the password is 8 characters. So once you have that, here you can see we have successfully created the strongest password for an Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily fix all the errors of your which you can get to creating an Apple ID password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.